In this video, let's talk about how to fix VPN not connecting on phone. Now, there can be a few cases why this might happen. The first thing that you could do in this situation is try to turn on the airplane mode for at least 10 seconds, turn it off and try to see if the issue is resolved. If the issue still persists, then what you can also try out is try to restart the router that you're currently using. So simply restart your router, and this also should help to fix this issue. Now, even after trying both of these steps, you're still having issues with it. In this situation, what you can simply do is try to clear out the app cache of the VPN that you're currently using. Simply tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and cache, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear storage being displayed. You could simply tap on it. Also, what you could do is select a different country, but sometimes what happens is the particular country that you're selecting would not support or may be undergoing maintenance, so you could simply select a different country. So these are the few steps that you could try out. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.